OneUI 8 Beta 7 is now out. The update is around 500 MB in size and it features the latest September security patch. This could be the last beta update before we can start seeing the final stable update rolling out from next week. So if we look at the details, there are a lot of bug fixes like lock screen clock has been fixed. Bluetooth sound has been made better. Next navbar and lock screen components have been optimized with this beta 7 update. Also, if I go to settings, now I'll scroll down and tap on about phone, then software information, and at the bottom you can see that we have this September security patch with OneUI 8 beta 7 update. Overall, beta 6 was lag free and I was getting a good battery life. I think this beta 7 update will further enhance OneUI 8. Also, let's talk about when the final update will be out. Recently, a roadmap for OneUI 8 update was leaked, and it seems that Galaxy S25 will be first getting it on September 18th. Then it will be available for Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and Galaxy S24 FE a week later by September 25. By October 2nd, Galaxy S23, Galaxy S23 Plus, Galaxy S23 FE, and Galaxy S23 Ultra will get this update. And by October 6th, Galaxy S22, Galaxy S22 Plus, and Galaxy S22 Ultra will get the stable OneUI 8 update. So we are about 10 days away from the stable launch of OneUI 8, at least for the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Ultra. What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comment section. And with that said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.